Here's the payment I received to my PayPal account by simply watching videos. I'm going to show you in this video step by step how you can make $200 a day by literally watching videos, guys. We do it all the time. We're always watching on our mobile phones, on our tablets, on our computers, our TVs. We're always watching videos. So why not make money online by watching videos? I'm going to show you 3 easy steps in this video how we're going to make money online. Guys, the first one is I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to make $200 a day by watching videos. I'm going to show you a few websites and exactly what you need to do on those websites to be able to make that $200 a day. Step number 2, I'm going to show you this is extremely easy and anyone can do it. You don't need any skill. You don't need any experience at all. And the best part about it is you can get paid to PayPal, to your bank, and this is worldwide. The websites I'm going to show you, you can do from anywhere in the world. And guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus on how I make $1,000 a day on autopilot and how I left my engineering job to start my passive income business. So make sure to stick to the end of this video. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, how you can do affiliate marketing, how to get traffic using YouTube and TikTok, and of course how you can do affiliate marketing. So guys, subscribe to the channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's go and get started. Let me show you the websites. Alrighty, so the first website is called testingtime.com. Okay, so before you click off, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make the money by simply just watching videos. Okay, guys, so go to testingtime.com. You can see here we recruit test users for usability tests, focus group interviews. Okay, we're focused on the videos. Okay, big companies are paying people like Testing Time to review their products, review their videos, and you're basically just giving them feedback and they're paying you for it. Okay, now here's the website here. What you need to do to become a user is just click this button here and it's going to take you to this website here. Okay, so you can see test new products and services and earn up to 50 pounds per hour, which is about $55-$60 per hour USD. Okay, so you're gonna make $50. We'll just say $50 per hour, guys. You can work 4 hours and make $200 a day. Okay, now the best part about this is you can do this at your own time, your own schedule, stuff like that. Okay, but let me just show you how to sign up here, guys. All you gotta do is put your first name and email. It's gonna take you to this website here. Okay, super easy to sign up. First name, last name, date of birth, gender, and here's the cool thing, guys. The country, there's like literally every country out there you can start making money from this. Okay, so this is not US, this is just not like Canada, United Kingdom. This is literally every country out there and you can start making money. Okay, now let's go back to the main website. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to show you guys some things here. Okay, so you can see here $50 per test person. And the cool thing, this is what I love here, guys. Okay, the scheduling. Okay, we coordinate appointments between you and the participants. Okay, we ensure that the people show up on the agreed date, but you can go ahead and pick your own schedule. Okay, so you're literally working for yourself. Okay, here's my favorite part about this. Okay, we handle payments. We handle the payments of the participants. The money is wired directly to their bank or their PayPal accounts. Okay, guys, I know you guys love making that PayPal money, so this is that's why I find websites that pay out through PayPal. This is one of my favorite methods to get paid out, so I wanted to let you guys know. Okay, so this is the first website here, testingtime.com, and a great website to start making money, guys, by literally just watching videos. Okay, now the next one I'm going to show you guys is this website called UserZoom.com. Okay, now stick with me, guys, because you can't actually make money with this specific website. We need a website to be able to connect to this one, but I'm just going to show you what this is. Okay, so you can see right away this is an extremely reputable company. It's backed by Sears, Bose, Oracle, some huge brands. Okay, and what you do is basically these companies are using websites like UserZoom to review their products and with video, stuff like that. I'll show you exactly how. Okay, so to get to the actual place where you actually make money and watch videos, okay, you're gonna go to a place called Join Our Panel. Okay, so if you can see here, let me zoom up a little bit. Join Our Panel here. Okay, just right here, guys. You're going to click this button here, and it's going to take you to this next website here, okay? This website is called IntelliZoom Panel, okay? Now, this is going to connect to UserZoom, but this is where we actually make the money, okay? This is where we go to this website and review everything. This is the website that it's connected to, but the way we're going to get paid and all that good stuff is with IntelliZoom Panel, okay? So you get here, you sign up, but I just want to show you guys, get paid quickly and easily. Saving up for something or looking for a bit of extra spending money, join the people all over the world, and additional income by sharing your experiences, okay? So you're literally just sharing your experiences, you're watching videos and giving people feedback, okay? So let me show you how much you can make with this website here, right? So in influence product experiences, okay? Make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products, okay? These huge businesses need opinions. They need people to look at their products, and they need opinions, and they need you to look at it, and that's what they're paying you for, okay? These huge brands are paying websites like this to find people like you, okay? Now, here's the thing here. Got 15-20 minutes to spare, okay? It's literally just 15-20 minutes each video, each thing you're reviewing here, okay? Now, if we go down, I'm going to go down here. There's some questions here. So how quickly can I start taking studies? As soon as you finish the registration process, you can literally start making money right away. So as soon as today, okay? How long are the studies going to be? Most studies take an average of 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, how old do you have to be? You have to be 18 years old or older. I know a lot of you guys are asking me, how can I make money 13, 12, 10 years old? This one, you do have to be 18 years or older, okay? How much money can I make? Okay, payment depends on the complexity of the study, but you can see here, you can make on average $10, okay? So if we go back up, if you remember, each study takes around 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So if we say it's 20 minutes, $10 per 20 minutes, that's $30 per hour, guys. That's huge. That's a lot of money that you can be making, okay? So these are two amazing websites, all right? Now, okay, these are great ways to make money, right? You are trading time for money, but I want to show you my bonus on how I make $1,000 a day and how I was able to leave my electrical engineering job to start my passive income business, okay? I want to show you this Facebook post here, okay? This is a Facebook post I recently posted in March of 2020. You can see March 2nd here. You can look up this post. This is something that I posted because I was really excited. I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job, and I actually quit my $80,000 a year job as an electrical engineering job to start my passive income business, guys. What I do is called affiliate marketing, okay? I sell other people's products and I get a commission, okay? The best part about it is it's 100% passive once you set up the system. I will tell you, it was very difficult to get off the ground, but I was able to start my business and start generating income about 9 months into my business, and I started making 6 figures with my passive income business, okay? Now you can see here, I started waking up at 3:30 to work on my online business before I even got to my engineering job, okay? I would work every single morning before work, but this was because I had to get my passive income business off the ground before actually making money, okay? So I will tell you, it was hard in the beginning, but now I'm reaping the benefits, okay? I don't have to worry about going into a job, sitting in traffic, 2 hours a day. I don't have to worry about, like having to ask my boss for time off. I literally have financial freedom. I don't have to work anymore, right? I mean, I choose to work. I love getting on YouTube. I love getting on TikTok. I love getting, helping you guys do the same thing, okay? I literally was like stuck at a job that I hated, okay? I went to college, I got into debt with my degree, and I worked a job for 5 years and I just hated it. So I want to help you guys create that financial freedom, okay? And what I do is called affiliate marketing. So I want to help you get started with our 15-day challenge, okay? This is our challenge here, guys. We're literally going to walk you through from beginning to end how to start your online business, okay? Literally, we're going to take you by the hand. I'm going to show you how you can create this passive income, okay? A lot of people say passive income isn't real. Well, 100% it is real, guys. You can look up my Facebook. You can look at my YouTube. 100% real. This is something I've been doing since May of 2019. I was able to start my business, and then in March of 2020, I was finally able to leave my 9-to-5 job. Okay, now this is the program I recommend to get started, because we're going to literally walk you through how to get started with your passive income business. Day 1, day 2, and then day 3, we're actually going to show you how to build a business in 30 minutes. Okay, this is one of my favorite days. And then day 5 is literally like this is huge, and we start creating your business plan. We start going through how do we set up this system to pay us passively. Okay, remember, this is passive income. Okay, unlike watching videos, unlike doing surveys, you're trading time for money, which is okay in the beginning, right? You want to be able to build up that income so you can put that money into a system or a course that's going to teach you how to create passive income. Okay, so that's what this is, guys. If you want to learn how to do this, it's going to be linked down below in the YouTube description. We're going to show you step by step. We're going to walk you through how to get started. Okay, that first link is going to take you to this page here. I'm just going to show you. It's going to take you to this page here, and then all you got to do is enter your email. So you just enter an email here. Okay, and then it's going to take you to this page where I talk to you about, more about how this works, how the challenge works, and then you click this button here. It's going to take you to my mentor, where he's going to talk about exactly how to get started, stuff like that. You click here, you pay $7, and you get started with the 15-day challenge. So that's exactly what you need to do to get started. Guys, I hope this video was of value to you. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you found any value. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how you can make money online, how to start your passive income business, and of course, your affiliate marketing business. So anyways, guys, God bless, and we'll talk to you guys soon.